Why pre, my lad?
Good day, man.
You say ready for report there?
Brother, I want to test me feel. I'm planning for runway, bro. No joke, I'm planning for runway, bro. I'm planning for runway, what, man? No joke, dog. You can't serious. You not hear me, my youth. Every time I feel test your mother beat up my clad.
Your mother not do nothing, bro. Come on, bro. You're 16, bro. Your mother still lick your bad, man? Come on, now. Come on, bro.
My mother no business in a bad, man.
What me say about your last? What me say? What me say about your last?
Yes, me.
Him boy. Hey boy. Don't ramp with me, no. Don't ramp with my boy. 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 I don't think I'm getting a really bad grade, bro. You see me, bro?
Me go dead, brother. Me go dead.
Yo, calm down, brother. Not so serious, bro. Calm down, brother.
Watch him, man.
I got dead.
Yo, calm down, brother. Sit down, bro. Calm down, bro. Calm down, brother. Calm down, brother.
Calm. Breathe, bro. Breathe. Bro. Go home. Go sleep. Go report there. Come home. And everything go alright, bro. Isn't it, bro? Believe, bro.
Alright, bro. I believe you, bro. Alright, bro. I believe you, bro.
Dog, you're bright, you know, bro. You're not feel, bro. Believe me, bro. You're bright, you know, dog. You're not feel, bro. Believe me, bro.
Nah, that bro. Me don't see no, bro.
Don't say that, bro. Just believe, bro. Just believe, bro. If you believe, you will achieve, bro.
Mommy, tomorrow I report their school.
Well, yeah, say my favorite time of the year that, you know, man. Make sure you pass everything, you know, big head, boy. Make sure my school fee now, we you know, hear that?
Yes, mommy.
Alright, me go find funeral, so me go kill you, you know, no. Woo! My favorite time of the year. Alright, which one I go choose, you know? Which one I go choose? Alright, we're gonna have a grand time up in heaven. We're gonna have a grand time up in heaven. Have a grand time. Oh, with the angels singing glory, hallelujah. We're gonna have a grand time up in heaven. Have a grand time. Yeah, man, this is not gonna weird, man, and kill man. This is not gonna weird your funeral. Woo! This is not gonna get your funeral. Yes, sir, they had their team, man. They had their team. Like they had their man. This is gonna kill you now, boy. This is gonna kill you now. Hear that? Find a teacher, show me big head, boy. Come, find a teacher, show me. Find a teacher.
Mommy, see her here, mommy.
Oh, hello, miss. Say hello, boy.
Hello.
Oh, hello, Miss Farmer. How you doing today?
No, call me so. No, call me so. Man, you work is pan married.
Okay, I'm sorry. My apologies. So here's CJ Palmer's report. Alright, let me see what I go on. Tell me the grades, them, CJ.
Yes, mommy. Mathematics 100.
What? Gotta come? Tell me the rest.
English language 100. Biology 100.
So go to doctor, you know, man.
Chemistry 100.
Watch me scientist, son.
Physics 100.
What?
And IT 99.
What? You just say? How you get 99?
What? Mommy, I can't make a mistake on the exam, mommy.
What's that done? See? Take off your belt.
No, take off your belt. You're not spirit today. No,
What?
take off your belt.
What? Mr. Take off your belt.
What? Don't be careful about that. Your mommy.
Man, please calm down, okay, man? Man, please calm down, okay? Please calm down, okay, man?
Hey, dirty dry girl, don't interfere me. Hear me? Don't interfere me.
Okay, man. You have to take your book. 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 You have to take your.
Give me some time. Yo. Give up our life now. Yes, yes. So tell me, how is he doing in the classroom? How is he doing in the classroom? That's what I want to hear. How your boy behave? Tell me, tell me. He's very talkative and troublesome in class. What you saying to me? Bend over your body.
Mommy! Mommy!
Me say bend over your behind.
No. Batty!
Your feet. Behave yourself, man. Behave yourself, man. Behave yourself, man. Behave yourself.
You say you miss, me go pray on miss. I say you miss. Yo, you say you miss. You say you miss. I pray, you hear me, I pray you. Hear that? I'm gonna run with no dog. I'm gonna run with dog.
Yo, Mark, bro. Yo, code, bro. What go on, bro? Where report there go, bro? Must have let me a report there, bad man. Yo. General, bro. Me here go on, bro. You know, say I'll Britney laugh at you too, bro. I'll Britney laugh at you, bro. I lie. Watch ya. Like him and Dave, bro. Brother, he hold your group at talk about it, bad man. He hold your group at talk about it, bro. You get lick of your ball like some bitch, bro. Like you know, hear what go on, bad man. Yeah, bro, me plan to run me, bro. Me tired of this, bro. Me tired of this bad man, bro. Me run me, bro. Me tired of this bad man. Me tired of this lifestyle, yeah, bro. Yo, brother, come on, brother. Brother, if you run me, brother, where you going, brother? Where you going, Where you going, brother? Me no know mango, brother, and coconut, brother. Brother, that's easy, bro, and wall out, bro. That's easy and wall out, bro. Mommy, warm. Where you going, bro? Where you going? I would up on the phone. I'm a friend, mommy. Hang up your phone.
Mommy.
Me say hang up your phone. Are you dirty foot friend them have your field school, you chop a friend them.
Oh, my friend them not chop on them foot not dirty.
Dirty boy, don't back chat me. Hey, dirty boy, don't back chat me, dirty boy. Hey, dirty boy, hey boy.